So last week I made this like promise that I would show you guys how to use workflows in Flodesk. So here we are. So I'm already logged in. I am on the workflows tab already. These are just some that I was like messing around with. That's one that I already have published. So we're gonna go and click on create new. And you can choose from these presets or you can start from scratch. We are going to do the welcome sequence. So view details, we're gonna customize. And now you're presented with this page where it already has workflows in a sequence and they're timed out. We are going to go in and make them our own. So first it wants to know your trigger, and it's going to be when a subscriber is added to segments. And then you can choose your segment here. But we want to design our first email that's going to go out when someone joins the specified segment. So we're going to click on it, come over here. You can change the sender email, subject line, and the preview text, which we can work on later. Let's work on making the actual email right now. So when you click on edit and come in here, you can customize anything on this page. You can take away things, you can add things. These little plus signs are to add different elements. Say that, and this right here is just a spacer. So let's say we don't want this text. We're going to click on it and just click delete. And then this image layout we can upload, but we want to go in and find different layouts. Image and text. Let's use this one. And once you're here, you can completely customize things. So workflow example. The block, you can flip it so the text is on the other side, and vice versa. You can change the background. Let's go with the green. This here, we can change it to, let's say, shot, and then you can put the link to where you want it to go. And you can change whatever else you want on here, take away things. You can even add something underneath it. Let's say we don't want this here, and all this font can be changed. Here I have my Instagram linked so that every time my Instagram is updated, my newsletters will automatically have the latest 3 pictures. This portion here, I would want to change the color. And these social media platforms you have to set prior in your settings. So just to save time, we're going to say we're already done. So let's go to finish. And it's added to the sequence. The next thing you can do is hit the plus sign or just come down to the time delay. And this says wait 30 days. You have all of these options here of how long you want the next email wait time to be. So we're going to do a period of time, and instead of 30 days, we're going to do 3 days. So after this first initial email is sent, 3 days later, this next one will be sent. So let's click on that and go in and edit. You can do the same thing, delete things, change things, whatever you want until you're satisfied, and then click finish. We're not designing anything right now because we just want to get through it and save time. So, but this loading isn't helping. Come on. Okay, what is happening? Okay, there we go. So we have this initial email set, wait 3 days, and the next email is set. And I want to get rid of the rest of these because I just want the 2 for now. And then I want to break down into different ways of targeting people. So now that all of these are deleted, after that second email, I'm going to click the plus sign, and you can send an email, you can do a time delay, you can do a condition, or you can do an action. And we want this to automatically filter things and benefit us the most that we can without very much work. So we're going to do condition. So here we're going to set the condition. Take action. Let's say subscriber has clicked a link. Okay. So if they clicked a link, what we want them to do is we are going to send them a time delay, and let's make it 2 days. And from here, I want to send them another email after they click the link. You can duplicate an existing email, so any that are up here, or you can create a new email. We're going to do a new one so that we're not sending duplicates and annoying people. Sorry, my Wi-Fi's been really slow. Let's just go into make money. And I want to send them a sale because they clicked my link, they showed interest. So let's send them a sale now. And you go through and you design all of this how you want. Right here, everything. And this little gift thing, you can make this yourself. I can show you guys how to make that in another video. If you want it, let me know. Thumbs this up so you can make another one. So let's just say we're done with this. We're not going to design anything because we're just going through on how to actually set up a workflow. So now we sent them a discount. Let's work on the no side. So if someone didn't click a link, we are going to send them an email and create new. And we are going to just share news with them. Even though it makes sense to send them a discount too, but I'm just going with the flow. Okay, we're going to send them news. So in here, let's make this one about a blog post. So how to use Flodesk. And then here they have a percentage off. So yeah, we could send them the percentage off as well to see what gets them to click. So let's finish. So now that we sent the no side another email, we told them about a blog post and we gave them a discount. Let's add another condition and let's say this time they at least open the email. So if they opened it, we're gonna put it on a time delay, and let's do, since they're like the no people, they're not eager to click things, we're gonna wait 7 days. So we're gonna select an email, create a new one. What should we send them? Sure. And now, let's say we're done with that, finish. And if they didn't open the email here, I think this is enough times of like touch point contact where let's end this here. You can keep going if you want to on the no side, but we're just gonna end it. So if they didn't open it, we are going to make this an action. So choose an action. We can add them to a segment that is for people that aren't that engaged, or they're just not clicking things, they're not opening emails, so that you can work on another workflow for those people to try and get them into the engagement side. But for this sake, I want to just remove the subscriber from the segment because they're obviously not interested in what we're trying to push on them from this specific workflow. And then here you would pick which segment you want to remove them from, and that would be the end of that action. And over here, if they opened it, we're going to do a condition, and the condition is going to be subscribers. Click the link. On the yes side, we're going to do take an action, and we're going to add subscriber to a segment. So I'm going to add this particular subscriber to one of my like engagement segments where people that are clicking links, they're making purchases, so that you can better target them when a new product comes out or when you are having some sort of sale. You know they are going to at least click and show interest, so you can have better statistics on all of your workflows and emails. People are opening them, interacting with them. And yeah, and then I'm going to end it here. And then you can create so many other workflows. The options are like super endless. As you can see already, there isn't even enough room on my screen for the different branches that I'm like going down, and I kept them relatively short. Like here, we went 2 days, and like you can still branch out on this end because this was the no end, that no's that turned into yeses. So these yeses coming down, these could turn into potential no's, and you could so these on this side, these no's could turn into unengaged people. So they're like 50-50. So you can create another segment for people that are on the fence and target them in a different manner when you add them to a new segment. It's literally endless what you can do with this. So it's just a matter of sitting down and planning out what your goal is with the specific workflow. And then from that workflow, how are you going to divide people into other segments to get a better return on your investment of creating these workflows and creating engagement, sales, and whatever your goal is for your email campaigns. And that's really how you set it up. So I hope this helps you guys understand how to set up your own workflows. If you have questions, concerns, more clarification on things, just reach out to me or leave a comment, and I can do my best to try and figure out how to help you guys through this. But it's really just getting the hang of what you want to promote through your email campaigns and figuring out the yeses, the nos, and how you want to segment people. I would say to get a whiteboard and draw out what you want before you actually get on the computer. I mean, I went straight to the computer to show you guys because I'm just making it up on the spot. I just want you to know how to move things around and create this. I have no words right now. I don't know what's going on. So yeah, the best thing to do would be to just get a whiteboard and draw out what you want to start, and then all your conditions, your time delays, and everything like that, and then go from there. And you don't have to have a time delay. You can immediately, as soon as they open it, go into yes and go straight into an email. Like, so a subscriber has to click the link, yes. We don't have to do a time delay. We can just say, send them an email as soon as they click a link, like right away, another email, but that gets a little annoying. So you want to be in people's faces without being super annoying.